This is what happened in Web3 this week. Instagram is now an NFT marketplace. Users will soon be able to mint, buy, and sell NFTs directly on the app. Warner Bros. Discovery and HBO announced plans for Game of Thrones NFTs. NBA star Stephen Curry to introduce his metaverse-based platform called Curryverse. Binance CEO says he wants to help bring Twitter into Web3 when they're ready. Microsoft invests $46 million in Korean Web3 developer WeMade. The government of India has officially launched its central bank digital currency. Crypto.com partners with Visa to launch a FIFA World Cup 2022 NFT event in Qatar. T-Mobile US debuts T-Challenge seeking Web3 development through 5G. VeChain partners with Amazon to enable carbon management services. The Japanese government has created its own decentralized autonomous organization in order to understand its potential use cases. FTX now allows users to send crypto via email and phone number. Reddit just hit 10 million in cumulative sales volume of its NFTs. Number of Dogecoin holders spike in October, adding almost 100,000 in 3 months. Crypto.com surpasses 70 million users. XRP Ledger now supports NFTs. Follow NFT Premier for more Web3 related contents.